Good morning, everybody, and today is finally the day that we're going to be wrapping the car, the Lexus ISF. We're going to be driving up to Tulsa to get this baby wrapped. So without further ado, let me flip the camera around and show you what we got. Okay, here's the car. It is now ready to go. I've got, of course, an energy drink on the inside there. Try your best not to judge me. My backpack is packed with all of the GoPro stuff. And I'm going to be bringing some tools as well to help them hopefully make the process go a little bit quicker. And with that, guys, I think we're ready to jump on the road. It's going to be about an hour and a half of a drive, and then we'll get started. Alright, guys, we are getting close, and the roads here in Tulsa are really smooth. I'm actually impressed by how nice everything is here. Alright, well, before we get going with the wrapping, we need to remove the ceramic coat that's on the car currently. So that means we need to wash it. We'll eventually do a clay bar, and then we'll be ready to cut everything and begin the wrapping process. Okay, we're gonna get back to the clay bar and cleaning, but first I have to show you the color. I'm so excited, guys. As you can tell, it is Nardo gray, and it had to be. I've always loved this color. I cannot wait to see it on the car. So with that, let's get started. Okay, guys, we are making really good progress. As you can see, one piece, very large piece, is done, and a lot of pieces are on the ground and off the car. Guys, the reason why it takes so long to do this is because of what we have going on right here. Little pieces like the door handle or trim or molding just takes a long time to get off, because you don't obviously want to mess anything up. And when you're moving all the things like the rear spoiler, the headlights, the tail lights, whatever, it just takes time. And so that's why a lot of times these jobs take, 6-7 days, depending on how many people are working on it. But anyways, we're gonna keep cracking on. I'm gonna take off the front bumper now and the headlights. Car looks like it's at a chop shop right now. Okay, little update. It's like 2:30, maybe 3 in the morning, but everything is pretty much done. We're working on the last couple pieces and everything is looking amazing on the car. So, cheers to us. Check back in when we're done. Well, good morning again. I said good morning. It's 5:30 and we just finished. These guys are absolute monsters. I can't believe they were able to get this done. Car looks awesome. I'm waiting to put the badges on and the decals on, and obviously we'll get some glamour shots soon. But for now, just a quick walk around, a complete wrap done in one day. Okay guys, yes, the car is done and it looks amazing. I absolutely love the way it looks. It had to be Nardo Gray. I've loved that color. I've said it before. I've loved it since it first came out. I think the first car I remember seeing it on was like the Audi RS7 or something like that. It just looks amazing and it totally transforms this car. If you look at it, I mean, immediately you can tell how much more it shows off the brake cooling, that open duct there in the front of the bumper. It just looks so much more modern. In the astute of you might also notice that the calipers are slightly brighter. Yes, I changed them to yellow. It looks amazing. There is a DIY video coming on that. What else? We had the trim around the windows done black. We left the roof black. We left the mirrors black. I will be continuing this front part. I'm gonna either wrap or potentially plasti dip the front. I'll probably wrap it because I think that might last a little longer. The car is dirty, and even still, it looks awesome. I think this paint, the wrap hides the dirt on the car very well. Again, love the way that yellow looks against the gray. Wheels are coming, so stay tuned for that. So you might also notice that we left the spoiler black. That was by design to tie into the roof. I also wrapped these taillights and I wrapped the reflectors as well. I think it looks really, really good. I think in the future, obviously, I'm going to do some aftermarket taillights. I haven't put the badges back on yet. I will definitely be putting this one back on, and I will be wrapping that or plasti dipping that probably today or tomorrow. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also, give this video a big old thumbs up if you want to see any more on the ISF. All right, we'll see you next time.